Good morning and welcome to Skyward Cars. Here we have a rather nice 1.4 litre Fiesta Climate, which is obviously, it is ULEZ compliant, which helps in this neck of the woods, and it's presented in a rather nice jet black metallic. The alloy wheels, I must admit I'm rather surprised when this vintage, but they are uncurbed and looking rather smart, and she's running beautifully. Hopefully you can get a good impression of the outside there. Inside, nice and clean, given the age and the mileage, which is 110,049 miles. Comes with all the normal gizmos for Fiestas of this age. There's an auxiliary in there for the CDM radio, which is working very nicely, and the climate control, hence its name I guess, Fiesta Climate, is working as it should. Blows nice and cold. If I get the key out of my pocket, we'll just start her up and pop round the other side and pull the bonnet. This was MOT'd yesterday, so it's flown through. Yeah. Dusty. We'll probably give that a bit of a clean. Also, the headlights will need cleaning up, but at the MOT it was fine in terms of beam pattern and brightness, but it'll certainly look better with those cleaned up. Let's have a look at the spare. Oh, on these it's a button on the dashboard, electric release, and lift. Okay, oh, another set of spare car mats there for some reason. And under here, soundproofing. Yeah, spare tyre, unused by the looks of it. A Continental with the jack and the brace and everything. Locking wheel nut is in the glove compartment. Sold with V5 and normal warranty. Now this one is a Cat C, as you will see on the advert, which is why it's much lower than the normal list price. And the reason being, I suspect, it's got some scratches here, so you can see. Now a lot of that may machine polish out, but there will be some marks left, which is unfortunate, but on a car of this age that's almost certainly why the insurance company may have written her off. In 2017 it was declared a Cat C, so yeah, couldn't resist. I wasn't expecting that. It's got electric mirrors that open and shut automatically when you lock the vehicle. Okay, so if there's any questions on this one, please just give me a call. Since it was declared Cat C, the last owner's daughter has used it as her first car, passing the MOTs and being serviced and maintained by their neighbour, they said, who was a mechanic, and I must say it's been kept very well. I think she had a black box fitted, so she was driving it very carefully, and yeah, for a first car or a little runabout at this price, I'd say she was perfect. Okay, any questions, please just give me a call.